Andhra Pradesh is also known as the land of the world famous diamond Kohinoor and many other globally known diamonds due to their presence in its Kollur mine once. It is also known as the Rice Bowl of India for being a major producer of rice in India. A combination of many cultures has formed the present day culture of Andhra Pradesh because some great dynasties have ruled the region like Ikshvakus, Pallavas, Chalukyas, Kakatiyas, Vijayanagar, and the Mughals. The famous cuisines of Andhra Pradesh are Bandar Laddu, Avakaya, Gongura, Pappucharu, Jonnakudu, Bobbattu, Kaza, and Arisa. Women generally wear sari with a blouse and men wear short dhoti which is folded above the knee with kurta or shirt. We celebrate festivals like Ugadi, Dashara, Deepavali, Sri Ramanavami, Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi and Mahashivaratri. Kuchipudi is one of the most famous dance forms in our Andhra Pradesh. Sri Kalahasti technique and Masuli Patnam are used during the printing of saris and costume material in Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati, Aruku Valley, Vizag, Srisailam, RK Beach, Borra Caves, Totlakonda, Horsley Hills, Kolleru, Kanakadurga Temple and Dolphin House, Vishakhapatnam are the famous tourist attractions of Andhra Pradesh. Water resources are natural resources of water that are potentially useful as a source of water supply. Uses of water include agricultural, industrial, household, recreational, and environmental activities. Water resources are under threat from water scarcity, water pollution, water conflict, and climatic change. The state of Andhra Pradesh is blessed with about 40 major and medium rivers, out of which Godavari, Krishna, and Pennar rivers contribute to the major chunk of the surface waters. Major dams in AP are Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Srisailam Dam, Polavaram Project, and Somasila Dam, which are used for irrigating agricultural fields in Andhra Pradesh. Punjab is the 20th largest Indian state by area of 50,362 square kilometers, which is 1.53% of India's total geographical area. The word Punjab is a compound of two Persian words, Panj meaning five and Ab meaning water, thus signifying the land of five waters or rivers, the Bees, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi and Satluj. The culture of Punjab is supposed to be one of the oldest and richest cultures in the world. The famous cuisines of Punjab are chana masala, chole, aloo paratha, halwa puri, makhni doodh, Amritsari lassi, masala chai and tea. The traditional dress for Punjabi men is the kurta and tehmat, and the traditional dress for women is the salwar suit. Lohri, Baisakhi, Hola Mahalla, Gurupurab and Tiyan are the festivals of Punjab. Bhangra, Jhumar and the Gidda are the famous dances of Punjab. Among the art and craft of Punjab, Fulkari is the most popular handiwork in India and abroad. Harmandir Sahib or the Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, the Rock Garden, Zakir Hussain Rose Garden, Chandigarh, Wagah Border Ceremony, Patiala, Anandpur Sahib are the famous tourist attractions of Punjab. In Punjab, as elsewhere in India, groundwater remains the most common source of water for both farms and households. Dolbaha Dam, Chohal Dam, Jayanti Dam and Damsal Dam are the major dams in Punjab which are used for irrigating the agricultural fields. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat.
This is Gujjari Pranay Sai of Vishaka Valley School, and I am very thankful to the CBSE board for giving me this opportunity to know about the state Punjab, and I am also thankful to my school principal Ishwari Prabhakaran madam and my biology teacher Radha ma'am for making this project successful.